Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Realme 9 Pro Plus. So, I will start from the Opera. In the Opera, just click here on the taskbar icon and choose Private. Add a tab. That's it. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox, like before, click on the tab, switch to the Zero Mask and add a Private. The next one, Adobe Edge. Click on the taskbar icon, switch to the In Private and add a tab like before. And the last one, the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just click here on this thread icon or arrow icon and choose the new Incognito tab. And now you're in the Incognito mode and your history, completed forms, the keyword from the word from the keyboard will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.